got a nice even dough. Sicilian red sauce. And I made this a few days ago, and I put a little bit of oil on top just to preserve it. I'm just going to pull that off. We don't need that extra oil. And we're actually going to be using all of this sauce. It is a very saucy pizza. And I like to bring my sauce all the way to the edge so everybody gets a delicious piece of the Sfincione. And this pizza traditionally does not have cheese. You will see these days sometimes they may put a little bit of like a strong cheese, but it is optional, so you don't have to put cheese on this pizza. It is like a peasant or a poor man's food, so cheese was something that was not always available. So that is totally optional. So once we have our sauce down, our Sicilian sauce, now we're going to be putting our anchovies, of course our vegan anchovies, and these ones I made out of the eggplant, and it just adds a nice pop of flavor and also some salty notes. So I'm just taking off a little bit of that oil, and you can put around as many of the anchovies that you like. And our last ingredient, which might seem a little bit strange, is breadcrumbs. And these get lovely and crispy in the oven. So we're just going to sprinkle over our breadcrumbs. I'm going to use that leftover olive oil and just put a little bit on the top. Okay, now I'm going to set this aside for another about 15 minutes or so before I put this into the oven. And it is going to grow quite a lot. It is a very thick pizza. So there you have it, guys. So we'll wait 15 minutes and then into the oven.